Hey there, this is LaQuita with QuitaBugHandmaids.com. Thank you so much for joining me today. So I wanted to hop on to share a fun announcement with you guys. Stampin' Up! Has released their very first product medley. So product medleys are something new, and Stampin' Up! Does have plans to release more of these in the future. I'm really excited about it, but the very first one being released is Everything is Rosy. So this is released as of today to both demonstrators and customers. This product medley is available only for the month of May 2019 or while supplies last. So you can find links to my online store in the video description below, so you can head on over there and check this out and add it to your order. And don't forget to use the host code, which is also listed below when you place your order. But I wanted to show you what's included in the product medley and give you a few sample ideas. So the fun thing about a product medley is it is just a whole coordinated collection of products that you can create whatever you want with. You can't find these products anywhere else. They are only available in the medley. But the fun thing is, it's open to your creativity. Whatever your heart desires, you can create with these products. You can add other products that you have on hand to it as well, but there's also tons of things included. So I wanted to walk you through what's included. So all of this comes in the medley. So you can see here, this is the Everything is Rosy stamp set. There are 18 stamps included. You've got some fun sentiments, and I'll show you a close-up of this stamp set in a minute. Some great images. And then you've also got the Everything is Rosy dies. So these coordinate with the stamp set. And there are 10 dies included. So you will need some sort of a die cutting machine if you'd like to use the dies. Then you've also got this beautiful, oh my gosh, it is absolutely beautiful, 6x6 designer series paper stack. There are 48 sheets in this paper stack, 8 each of 6 double-sided designs. And then if you look right here, you can see there is some rose gold foil. So this is 6x6, and you get 8 sheets of the rose gold foil as well. I love rose gold. Then you've also got some printed die cut sheets right here. You get 2 of these printed die cut sheets. Then you've got some rose gold die cuts. There are 4 sheets, and you get 2 each of 2 designs. Then you've got, these are really fun, you've got these rose gold adhesive backed mirror elements. So there are 60 of these on here. And what I love about these, I've seen them in person. They are, on stage, they are thin, lightweight. They add some really fun shine to your project, but they won't weigh down your cards and affect postage too much. I really like these. Then you've got some Melon Mambo, ooh, it's so pretty, Melon Mambo 1/4 of an inch ruched ribbon, so gorgeous. And then you've got some Night of Navy and Rose Gold 3/8 inch metallic edge ribbon. And then lastly, you've also got some rose gold shimmer paint. How fun is that? I have not used shimmer paint yet, so that just is so fun to me that they included that in there. So this is what comes in the Everything is Rosy product medley. Pretty fun. Here is the stamp set, a close-up. I love the font. I love these little curly ends on the letters. So you can see thank you, time to celebrate all the lovely things in life, starting with you, congratulations. May your birthday be filled with pretty things. Ooh, I love that. Don't let worry spoil your happy, dear friend. And then you can see those beautiful images. So let me show you just a few samples. So again, this medley is open to your creativity. You don't have to create any certain projects. It is really whatever your heart desires, but here are a few samples created by Stampin' Up! Just to kind of get you going, give you some ideas of some of the possibilities that are available with the products in this medley. But I'm really excited about this. I hope that you guys are too. Let me just show you a few more samples here. And you can see just endless possibilities. You can add your own card stock for your card bases. Just a lot of fun. And then you can also do some memory keeping, of course. So lots of fun there. So I hope that you all are excited. Remember, you can find links to my online store to purchase your Everything is Rosy product medley down below in the video description. Please let me know if you have any questions about this new release. I would be happy to help you. And I hope that you guys have an amazing, amazing day, and I will talk to you again very soon. Bye now.